Thanks for clicking play. We're going to walk through how to use the ideas generator in the multi-channel workspace. If you're not in your multi-channel workspace already, click on your drop-down and navigate to your multi-channel workspace to use the feature. Once you're in here, you'll see this light bulb. You can hover over and click Generate Ideas. As you can see here, I've already added in the tell us about yourself information, target audience, and specific topics. The specific topics are optional, but it's a great way to continue to narrow in on what kind of ideas you're wanting to create. So you'll see here, I'm an interior designer. My target audience is those looking to update their homes for a fresh feel. And other specifics could be about 2026 trends that are coming up, how to stage, organization, and so much more. Once you add in all this information, you can click on Generate Ideas. And this will populate 3 different options. You can read through and see the different options for the ideas, as well as you have 2 options of adding to your grid as a placeholder or going ahead and starting a post. You'll see the topic and keywords for each one is slightly different, as well as the concept and then a great hook for your caption. So to show you how to do this, you can click on Add to Grid, and then you can see it's been added as a placeholder. But for now, let's go look at starting a post. So start your post. And from here, it already populates the caption, the hook, as well as the topic. And then you can go from here and create all of the details for the post. You can change your channels, you can add your media, you can go over here, select your date and time, switch from reminder to auto post. You can save it as a draft, or you can go ahead and schedule it. But if we hop over here, we can see that it's been added as a placeholder onto my grid, and I have the ability to click into this post and create the details to edit and start there. You'll see here, same thing. It has the hook, it has the channels. You can add a date and time, you can convert it to a draft, or you can still save the placeholder. This is a great way to kick off idea generation within Planoly, your one-stop shop for all of your content creation. Enjoy!